strategy has been very much focused on what we call performance. And today we realize that we also want business to not only deliver performance, but also contribute to progress. Over the last decades, we developed theories of innovation and internationalization. These are the two theories that help us achieve performance. And now we're developing the theory of integration, which will help us achieve progress. This integration has to happen both at the producer, that is the supply side, but also the consumer demand side. How do we know what is the right thing? I can help the environment by stopping coal mining, but then coal miners need jobs. So the first thing we've done at INSEAD over the last years is start bringing philosophers on campus to teach with us. We offered a course called C2C, choosing to care and caring to choose. So this is about moral psychology. Another new course that is taught is called thoughtful consumption. There are big 5 things we consume: food, apparel, housing, mobility, and technology. If 8 billion people, we are chronically consuming these things every day, how can we think about being moderate and thoughtful in a manner that is going to be sustainable for people and planet and for the business for profit? We've started on top of these courses what we call a consultship practicum. And so we have sent out for the first time 3 teams of MBA students to do this practicum and be able to experience, not only take their ideas and try and integrate them into real companies, but also learn how difficult it is, given the organizational constraints, the regulatory constraints, the budgetary constraints, the political constraints. The world is not black or white, it is black and white. And if we can embrace contradictions, then we get less frustrated, we get more endurance, and we take small steps in the right direction. Our goal, our dream, is that it will also be master of better alternatives, not only business administration.